Hey, this is Air Mobility Show with Amad Malik and my co-host Nadia. Hey Nadia, how are you doing today? You just came back
Hi, Ahmad.
from some time with family. How are you feeling?
Yes, very good. It was a good time in the US. Now fully back in the UK. Better weather, by the way, and very excited to be here today. I think as we move forward with exploring the world of the advanced air mobility, we find ourselves in very, very interesting areas. And I'm excited for today's episode because we will be talking a lot about different type of aircraft.
As you know, the advanced air mobility is much wider subject than just eVTOLs because that's what people think it is. And it's exactly, Kevin. So it's a lot more than just eVTOLs, and I think this is a very important thing. In my view, this is precursor for what I think aviation 3.0 should look like. And one of our friends, Kevin, he have started a new company which is kind of focusing on these technologies. So welcome, Kevin, and welcome, Chris, who is also the technical lead or the geeky guru, if you may,
Yeah.
of the company. So very exciting to have you both on board. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm actually excited because I'm going to change my business cards now to Geeky Guru because that sounds so much better and so much more, approachable as a person if they know I'm the Geeky Guru.
Indeed. Yeah, no, I'm glad to give you some some ideas. So Kevin, let's get started with just a quick introduction to yourself and the company and how this all came about and how you and Chris
Yes.
got started with this. Yeah.
Oh man, yeah, our love story. Yes. So CEO and founder of Anatra, and Anatra is Italian for duck, which is the amphibious UAV. We share a vision where we are going to be the best and the number one cargo UAV manufacturer for the world. And so, with that, I came across this geeky guru, and I can't tell who's crazier, me or Chris. And we met, and I told him the vision of what we can do for advanced air mobility, and he said, say jump, and I will. And so we've been locked in for, I don't know, what, like 2 years now. Chris, feels like
Yeah.
just yesterday. So it's been really fun to try and push an industry and build an aircraft that sounds really simple, but turns out there's a lot to it. So
Yeah. Kevin approached me and he's like, "Hey, I've got this really challenging problem. I have no money, just big ideas. Do you want to go on this journey with me?" And I was like, "Of course. Why would I not? Sure. Long hours, no money, no pay, but we might change the world. All
Yeah.
right, sounds good."
That's the way to go. That's the way to go. I mean, this is the
Yeah.
thing, I keep saying that, um, and I think my viewers are going to get sick of. Sometimes I keep repeating some things too much, but the aviation was built on the shoulder of people who have passion for flying, passion for this technology. From back in the day, from
Yeah.
twenties, when no one wanted to fly, they were like, "This is unnatural. We leaving the ground." That was the idea, and then
Well,
it just kind of evolved from there, and look where we are now.
if I'm correct, right? Like the Wright brothers started by building bicycles,
Yeah.
I think. Weren't they building bicycles?
yes.
Yeah.
And one of them said, "Hey, hold my beer," and I'm gonna go build an airplane.
I think
You know,
that's absolutely right. And if you look at
that might
the
not be 100% accurate, but yeah,
yeah, but I mean,
yeah.
if you look at the original designs, they were like more made up of spokes and chains and wires.
So it takes passion, a leap of faith. You have to be risk tolerant and really, believe that technology exists now that can be properly applied, and you can really do something with it.